Hello, welcome back to Darak Watches. I'm Derek. Today I will teach you how to custom fit a crown and stem to your watch. There is a lot of way to do it, but this is how I did it. Seems works very well for me. The first step, I will attach the uncut stem to the crown and use the tweezer to screw it down. Install the crown and stem to the movement and check if it's installed properly. Use a caliper to measure between the case and crown. This is the amount we need to take away from the stem. Now we know we need to take away 7.56 mm from the total length of the stem. So I will measure the total length of the stem, zero the caliper, and take away 7.56 mm. Now you know where to cut the stem, you can mark it with the marker. This is a pair of cheap side cutter I sacrificially cut the stem with. Because stem is very hard, what you really need to use is something like this. This is called the end cutter. This tool is specially hardened for cutting stem. You will also need a file. What I have here is a small diamond file. I will put a link in the video description. After cutting the stem and file it down to dimension, make sure you also deburr the cutoff section so it will screw in the crown smoothly. This is the perfect position we want. You can see the crown is sitting flush with the case. And there is still a little bit of play, so when you hand wind the movement, it won't bind to the threads. If you didn't get it to the perfect position at the first time, no worries. Just need to file the stem more and repeat. If you are satisfied with the fit and crown action, make sure you Loctite it with the Loctite 271. A tiny amount like this will be sufficient. And now you just need to screw it back in and you are finished. If you found this video is entertaining and educational, please like the video and consider subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will help the channel a lot. There are more videos like this in my channel. Please take your time and watch them all. Thank you for your support. If you have question, comment, concern, please leave a comment. This has been Derek from Darak Watches. I'll see you next time. Bye.